How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Jeff Herrick coming to you from Green Industrial. We are here in Belgium, Wisconsin today at our generator shop, and we are taking a peek at an older, I think this is early 90s, I think it's 1994. It's a natural gas generator. This one puts out about 100 kW, three-phase. It's currently wired for 277/480. So it's got a little V8 Ford on it, runs on natural gas. Very likely you could configure this to run on propane or LP if you want, but it is currently set up to run on natural gas. So basically what we've got all the panels off right now. We're gonna be, I think we're painting them right now, that's why they have them off, but we're gonna be, we just did a full service on it. Has all new oil and coolant and filters, and it's been test run here. So we're just making its way to the end of the process that we do in the shop. Again, they're doing some work on the panels. They got all the locks off here, but soon it'll all be reassembled. You'll see it up for sale on our website and be ready to go. But what are we looking at? V8 motor turning an 1800 RPM gen end. This thing again is currently set to produce 277/480. I haven't looked inside the machine yet, but I believe it's a 12 lead. We should be able to reconfigure that and swap the breaker out if we had to. But again, it's at the desired voltage right now, 277/480. Gives you a 150 amp main circuit breaker on the opposite side of the machine. It's a square D breaker. Nice little setup. Currently to date, it has 231 original run hours on it. So again, it's a pretty simple device. V8 Ford engine, easy to get parts for it. It's got a muffler on it, pretty much everything you need. So if you got a farm or a residence, you're looking for about 100 kW of power, 150 amps at 277/480, give this thing a look. We'll go ahead and fire it up here real quick. Okay, folks, you've seen it here. It runs, it starts, it's serviced, it's ready to run for you. So give us a shout here at the office, 262-476-5045, or check out our website at gibuys.com. And as always, folks, save thousands. Buy used from Green Industrial today.